This is a VTech DJ Kidi mixer thing. I was nearly right. It's a Kidi DJ mix by VTech. And in an effort to not forget what was wrong with this, I actually printed off the eBay listing. So I paid £10.80 plus £3.38 postage. And the description is here. For spares repair, unit switches on and display, lights up and then turns off, no sound. Probably an easy fix for someone that knows what they're doing. Well, that's not me. Only a few months old. Batteries will be removed for posting from smoke-free home. So, let's see. Right, the battery compartment is there. Let's open that up and pop some batteries in. Nice. Right, where's the power button? There's the power button. Oh, okay. Let's try it one more time. Right, well, let's take it apart and see if we can figure out what's going on.
Superstar DJ is what I got. Superstar fixer, definitely not. This thing looks cool, time to try a fix. After the thanks we give, wrapped in this mix. In McLaughlin, Fruit TV, it comes and goes, as you see. Christopher Shaw, Ryan Mitchell, the screen pops on and says farewell. Cool genius, Sigma 4, we're gonna fix this but not before. Lee Benz, and we're poor. Dr. Princess Wizard, you know the score. Gary Braun, and Danny King, Heinzie Hall, Kendallberg, let's fix this thing. Badger Squatch, Heavy Cheesy, Black Country Man, Terrell Pertamaki, Nick Adams, Fox Curler, Chris Jenkins, the Tom White Boys, J. Rachel Evans, we got more love to give. Pow! Ricky Wayne, Resident, B-Money, Skystar Dreamer, Damo DB, Esther and Keegan, Pavel S11, Iron Lane, Soy Coffee, and Isna. Back to the VTech, we almost in. What will we find under its skin? I need to know what made it break. Or will I find out, yo, Pat, okay? Peace.
Okay, so we've got a wire here which goes to here, which I presume is the speaker. We've got a wire here. In fact, I'm just going to unplug that. Oh, no. Oh, the whole thing came off. Don't know if that's good or bad. And then the red wire is from the battery terminal. Black wire goes from the battery terminal to... Okay, it does have... You can't see. It does have a 6-volt jack there. I would say it was lighting up, wasn't it? But I could try bypassing that, potentially. And then that runs from there into the board here. So I think what we need to do is just pop the batteries in, just make sure we're getting 6 volts there, and also 6 volts on this board somewhere. There should be some voltage on this inductor here. Probably on this inductor here. We've got some diodes. Yeah, there's quite a lot on this board. It's a lot more than I thought there was going to be. I thought this would be quite primitive. Well, what have we got? We've got a light here, haven't we, that sort of rotates. We've got a spinny thing here. Then we've got all these buttons on this side. Ah, okay. Let's see if we've got voltage. Multimeter in, voltage, DC. Right, so between there and there we should have 6 volts. And we do, 6.4. So we should also have it at this point of the board, which we do. So what tells it that there's an a DC jack plugged in? Right, so it passes that down, those middle 3 there, presumably to this board. So that should be coming up in here, which it is. Let's just see if we've got any voltage. I'm going to keep my probe on the battery negative. See if we've got any on this coil here. We presumably won't have until I put it into voltage DC. Until we've got this thing switched on. No, so there's nothing there. Is there anything on this coil? Yeah, 6.4 volts. What's on this diode? 6.4. What's on the other side of the diode? Millivolts. But again, something needs to tell this thing to turn on. We've got like a voltage regulator there, 6.4 volts. There's like a diode here. What's on that one? Oh, that's weird. Oh, you can't even see. I've been doing all this and you can't even see it. Mind you, what's new? That one, 6 volts, but it starts dropping straight away. 6.4 on that side. But 6 and drops on the other side. I mean, that might be normal. That's some kind of diode. Should it do that? Seems odd. Right, well, let's try and turn it on and see if it does anything different. I mean, with the voltages. Where's the power button? Right, it's this one in this corner. So that... This is so hard to work on. Power button's in this corner, so it's obviously this board here. And then we've got some cables that come off there. They run down to here. There's no other cables coming from there. So the power button must run to here and then back out again from there, presumably, into the board. Right, well, let's just press it. No, it's not. Is it still doing that? What? What? It's working. Obviously there's no sound because I've disconnected the speaker. Why is it working? I haven't done anything. Let's just reconnect the speaker.
Let's get this party started. See you later.
It works. I absolutely hate it when that happens. All I've done is taken it apart. That's really frustrating. Let's just try it again, just in case it was a fluke.
See you later.
Right, well, let's put it back together. See if it's still working when I put it back together. It's just really, really odd. There it goes.
Let's get this party started.
It definitely works. And it's actually really very cool. I really like it. Not stupid.